Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. Early in the morning, just as day is dawning, he picks up all the post bags in his van. Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. All the birds are singing, and the day is just beginning. Pat feels he's a really happy man. Everybody knows his bright red van. All his friends will smile as he waves to greet them. Maybe you can never be sure there'll be knock, ring, letters through your door. Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. All the birds are singing, and the day is just beginning. Pat feels he's a really happy man. Pat feels he's a really happy man. Pat feels he's a really happy man.
Whew, it's a funny old day out there, Mrs. Goggins. Feels like there's a thunderstorm brewing.
Oh, dear. I do hope not. I have to take Bonnie out for her walk.
Hello, Bonnie. Look, Jess, Bonnie's got a new toy.
Ah, she won't go anywhere without it, will you, girl? Oh, dear.
It's just a bit of thunder, Bonnie. Nothing to worry about. Come on, Jess. Let's get home before the rain starts. See you later, Mrs. Goggins. And don't worry about the storm. It'll soon pass.
Oh, dear.
Help me, somebody, help me! I've lost my little boy!
This sounds like a job for Captain Zap!
And this girl!
Oh! What are you two up to?
We're playing superheroes.
We help people who are in trouble. We're the bravest superheroes in the whole world.
Well, if you don't come indoors, you'll soon be the wettest superheroes in the whole world. There's a thunderstorm coming.
Great! I love thunderstorms. Don't you, Julian?
Oh, come on, Bonnie. If we hurry, we should get back before the rain starts. Oh, yes. We mustn't forget your special toy, must we? Now, where is it? I'm sure it was around here somewhere.
What have you got there, Jess?
Jess, you naughty thing. That's Bonnie's new toy. Oh, dear. We can't take it back to her now. Here comes the storm.
Oh, come on.
Oh, dear. Now, Bonnie, remember what Pat said. A little bit of thunder is nothing to worry about. Bonnie! Bonnie, come back! Bonnie! Yes, Nisha. Of course Mary can stay here until the storm blows over. Bye.
Wow! Look at that rain, Julian. Julian? Mrs. Clifton, where's Julian?
Oh. Oh, Bonnie!
Julian?
Bonnie! Julian? Oh, Bonnie!
Ooh. Are you all right, Julian? Ooh. Ooh.
You see, Julian, thunderstorms might sound scary, but they're not really. They're just caused by electricity in the sky.
I know that, Dad, but it doesn't stop me being scared. Ooh. I'll never be a superhero, Mum. Superheroes aren't scared of anything. They're really brave.
That's not what being brave means, Julian. Being brave means doing something even though you're scared. Help! Help! Somebody help me!
Mrs. Goggins?
Bonnie just ran away at the first sound of the thunder, Sarah. We were both so scared. Try not to worry, Mrs. Goggins. Bonnie's a sensible dog. She's probably just gone somewhere to shelter out of the rain, like Jess does.
And when the storm's over, she'll run straight home.
Oh, I hope so.
Don't worry, Mrs. Goggins. I'll find her.
Oh, Pat, thank you. You're a real hero.
Can I come with you, Dad?
Julian?
Are you sure? I thought you were scared of thunderstorms.
Being brave means doing something even though you're scared. Right, Mum?
Right.
All right, then. Come on, Captain Zapp. Let's find that puppy.
Where are we going first, Dad?
Thompson Ground. Bonnie might be sheltering in Alf's barn.
Oh, dear. Don't worry, Mrs. Goggins. Bonnie may turn up here at any moment.
You're not scared of thunder, are you, Jess?
Thunderstorms can't hurt you, Julian. Not if you're careful. You just have to remember to keep away from open spaces and not to shelter under trees. They could get hit by lightning. Come on.
Nay, sorry, Pat. Bonnie's not in my barn. I've just brought all the animals in out at Storm.
Oh.
Why don't you try Greendale Farm? Mrs. Goggins often takes her up there.
Thanks, Alf. We'll do that.
One elephant. Two elephants. Three elephants.
That means the storm is 3 miles away.
I see, dear. There's just one thing I don't understand. Why do we have to count in elephants?
Bonnie! Bonnie! Come on, Bonnie!
I'm sorry, Pat. I just checked the cattle sheds and I didn't see her. Why don't you try the railway bridge?
Cheerio.
Ooh, that's funny. Oh, dear.
Is everything all right, Mrs. Clifton?
The electricity's gone off, Mira. It must be because of the storm. There'll be no tea, I'm afraid.
Oh.
Tell you what, I've got a much better idea.
Bonnie!
Oh, dear. We'll never find Bonnie in this.
Look out, Dad!
We can't drive any further, Julian.
Then we'll have to get out and walk.
There. Oh, lovely.
Let's make some toast.
Bonnie! Bonnie!
We must be nearly there now.
Bonnie!
6 elephants. 7 elephants. Oh, 7 miles.
And that means the storm's moving away.
Honey or jam, Mrs. Goggins?
Bonnie!
Bonnie!
Come on, girl!
Bonnie, come on,
Bonnie,
girl!
where are you?
Bonnie!
It's her! Where is she?
Oh, that was lovely. If only poor Bonnie was here. Oh, what's this?
It's Bonnie's bone!
Oh,
Bonnie?
Oh, she's in here. It's all right, Bonnie. We're here now.
She must have crept in there to get out of the storm. Come on, girl. Let's get you out of there and take you home.
It's no good, Dad. She won't come out. We need something special, like her squeaky bone.
You're right, Julian. We'll have to go back and get it.
Oh, we can't leave her here on her own. One of us will have to stay with her.
I'm sorry, Julian. I can't leave you on your own either.
It's Mr. Glenn. Hey, Mr. Glenn! Mr. Glenn!
Hello. What are you two doing out in weather like this?
Mr. Glenn could wait with me and Bonnie, couldn't you, Mr. Glenn?
Eh?
9 elephants. 10 elephants. 10 miles now. The storm's definitely going away.
They're back!
Pat! Where's Julian? Have you found my Bonnie?
Julian's with Ted, and we've found Bonnie. Now, where's that squeaky toy?
So you see, thunderstorms might sound scary, but they're not really. They're just caused by electricity in the sky.
I know that, Julian. But I still don't like 'em. We can't all be as brave as you know.
Do you really think I'm brave?
Aye.
Hello, Julian. Hi, Ted. Look.
You've got it!
Yes. Now, come on, Bonnie. Come on, girl.
That's it, girl. You can do it. That's it, girl.
Well done, Julian. Now then, let's get Bonnie home. Hello, everyone.
Oh, Pat. How can I ever thank you?
Don't thank me, Mrs. Goggins. It was Julian who had the idea of using the toy. And Julian who kept Bonnie company while I went to fetch it.
You're a hero, Julian. A real hero.
Not just a hero, Mrs. Goggins. Julian did something very brave, even though he was frightened.
And I reckon that makes him a superhero.
Wow!
And you're my hero, Julian.
Oh!
Postman, Postman Pat, can you guess what's in his bag? Is there a letter? Is there a parcel? Is there a postcard? What's left? Just the cat.